In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Yoast SEO Breadcrumbs to enhance your website's navigation experience effectively. Breadcrumbs are a crucial feature for improving both user experience and search engine optimization, as they allow visitors to easily understand the structure of your site and navigate back to previously viewed pages with ease. So, let's dive right in and get started with this useful tool. To begin, ensure you're in your WordPress dashboard. This is the control hub where you manage your posts and pages, among other settings. Our first task is to locate and decide on the specific post or page where you want to implement the Yoast SEO breadcrumbs. Choosing the right spot for these breadcrumbs is important. Think about where they would be most helpful for your visitors. Typically, they are placed at the top of the page content, just below the header, to provide immediate navigational context. Next, move over to the editor for the post or page you've chosen. The WordPress editor is a powerful tool that allows you to customize your content layout flexibly. Keep an eye out for the blue plus icon in the top left corner of the editor. This icon is your gateway to adding various blocks to your content. Clicking this will bring up a multitude of options. Now, you want to search for the Yoast breadcrumbs block. This block is specifically designed to be integrated into your content seamlessly and is easily searchable using the block search feature. Start typing Yoast breadcrumbs, and you should see it appear in the suggestions. Once you find it, go ahead and add it to your chosen location in the page or post. This process is straightforward, akin to adding any other block, such as text or images, in the WordPress editor. As soon as you've placed the breadcrumbs block, you might notice how they typically appear as a path of links that represent the hierarchy of your web pages, often separated by some kind of divider, such as a slash or an arrow. This display is not only intuitive, but also visually blends with most site designs. Remember, while adding breadcrumbs is a technical task, it's also about ensuring your site visitors have a smooth and informative browsing experience. Effective breadcrumbs can reduce bounce rates and help visitors understand the relationship between different parts of your site at a glance. By following these simple steps, you've successfully integrated Yoast SEO breadcrumbs into your WordPress website. This integration not only optimizes your site's navigation, but also enhances overall usability, keeping your visitors engaged and coming back for more. Thanks for following along today, and happy optimizing with Yoast SEO.